This occurs because every unit must remain traceable for regulatory audits. This stage exists because laboratory testing must precede plasma separation.
The blood separates into 3 visible layers: pale yellow plasma, dense erythrocytes, and a thin.
This happens because cellular components are processed separately or returned to hospitals. This stage exists because plasma flow must be equalized between centrifuge trains.
The separated byproducts remain red cell concentrates and platelet fractions with dark red and cloudy yellow coloration.
This occurs because ultra-fast freezing prevents protein denaturation. This step exists because controlled freezing maintains protein structure. The product entering this hall is deep frozen human plasma, sealed inside polymer bags, biologic.
The system uses thermal probes and flow-controlled circulation pumps, while the plasma warms under controlled conditions.
This occurs because sustained exposure is required to fully disable pathogens.
The product is chemically treated plasma, with solvent agents being stripped away, passing upward through it.
The product becomes virus-inactivated plasma, filtered inside enclosed sterile polishing housings.
This step exists because pathogen reduction is a legally critical control point. This stage exists because flow must synchronize before refinement.
The products are albumin-rich plasma fraction, immunoglobulin-rich fraction, and clotting factor-rich fraction.
Polymeration corridors equipped with caustic wash skids, sanitizing solution tanks, reverse flow pumps, and rinse water loops are flushed.
Here we see the ultrafiltration loops in action. The solvent permeates the membranes faster than the protein, leading to this active concentration we observe.
The jacketed concentration hold tanks utilize slow-speed agitators to stabilize the therapeutic protein solutions.
This step exists because concentration precedes sterile filtration.
Here we see the dual-train filtration skids in action, actively filtering the therapeutic protein solution.
This occurs because open exposure would recontaminate the medicines.
This stage exists because pharmaceutical regulators demand real-time sterility surveillance. As sensors detect anomalies, the system instantly reroutes the therapeutic protein liquids. Uninterrupted sterility is critical to medicine manufacturing.
This step exists because containers must be sterile before dosing. This stage exists because some drugs are supplied in ready-to-inject format. This step exists because some formulations are converted into powders for stability. This step exists because solid ice must form before sublimation.
Inside the freeze dryer, the pale yellow medicine sublimates, forming that distinctive porous cake texture under deep vacuum.
Batch 7 finalized. All quality records verified against the lab data.
Approved for release.
This stage exists because authorities may retest historical batches.
The insulated totes move along the packing corridors. This meticulous process is essential because protein
Biometric check complete.
Stamping the export license now.
All sensors reading within tolerance. Proceed with the connection, confirming stable temperature.
We have a cold chain alert on Flight 405 due to turbulence. Rerouting to the southern corridor.
Acknowledged. Maintaining temperature parameters.
Autonomous shuttle robots, refrigerated tote carriers, RFID portals, and insulated tunnel doors.
This one goes to the surgical ward.
Okay, scan complete. Loading the next batch now.
This step exists because medicine must reach bedside locations intact.
Monitor the vitals on batch 15 closely. We need the pharmacovigilance report immediately.
Acknowledged. Data is streaming now.
We have an emerging signal here on the plasma data.
Is that batch consistent with the current deviation threshold?
We are logging this adverse event now. Please confirm the digital case number and the product batch details.
The European shipment is showing a temperature spike in Sector 4.
Reroute it immediately and verify the cold chain integrity. The current retrieval rate is at 98%. We need full accountability on the plasma protein inventory by 1400 hours.
Multinational oversight is critical. Here, every shipment of the plasma-derived medicine